Is the current smartphone in your pocket feeling a bit dated? Maybe you're itching for an upgrade. Enter the Samsung Galaxy A35, the fresh face in Samsung's mid-range Galaxy A series. This gadget is a cocktail of premium features and affordability, brewed to redefine what you can expect from a mid-range smartphone. The Galaxy A35 dances to Samsung's rhythm of fusing style with functionality. A slim profile, a glass back, and an aluminum frame make for a premium feel and durable build. The layout of physical buttons and the fingerprint sensor has been carefully thought out for your comfort. What's a phone without a good display? The Galaxy A35 doesn't disappoint. It sports a Super AMOLED screen that delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and wide viewing angles. A high-resolution display and an impressive screen-to-body ratio guarantee an optimal multimedia experience. Under the hood, the Galaxy A35 is a beast. An octa-core chipset powers the device, ensuring seamless multitasking and smooth app performance. Coupled with a generous amount of RAM, this device promises quick app launches and effortless switching between applications. It's all about enhancing your user experience. Samsung has put a lot of heart into the A35's camera system. A high-resolution main camera, paired with additional lenses for wide-angle and depth sensing, makes for detailed and dynamic shots. Advanced features like AI enhancements and night mode take photography to a whole new level. The Galaxy A35 runs on the latest One UI version, based on Android. This clean and intuitive user interface is a breeze to navigate. Regular software updates keep your device secure and introduce new features, extending the phone's lifespan. Connectivity and battery life are also on point. The Galaxy A35 supports a range of options, including 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC. The device is likely to house a large battery, promising all-day usage on a single charge. Add in fast charging capabilities and you have a phone that keeps up with your busy lifestyle. Storage won't be an issue either. The Galaxy A35 offers multiple configurations, catering to a range of storage needs. Plus, the microSD card slot allows for expandable storage, so you can store as many photos, videos, and apps as you want. Security is top-notch too. Biometric features like a fingerprint sensor and facial recognition ensure your device and transactions are secure, while also offering a convenient way to unlock your phone. The Galaxy A35 may even throw in a few extras. Think water and dust resistance, stereo speakers for immersive audio, and integration with Samsung's ecosystem for seamless connectivity with other devices. So, there you have it, the Samsung Galaxy. A35 is a mid-range smartphone that refuses to compromise. It pairs elegant design with powerful performance, advanced camera features, and a host of practical features, all at an affordable price. This is a phone that borrows from the top shelf, delivering a premium experience without the premium price tag.